What do you think of this advice that girls need to marry the guy that's a little bit more in love with them than they are?
Oh, that's another one. Marry the man that loves you more is horrible advice.
How so?
So it kind of speaks to what we were talking about before. Like, women need to be more enthusiastic than a man. That doesn't mean a man isn't enthusiastic about the woman internally, but externally, he should not be emoting like a woman, like with gaga eyes and like how movies and cartoons show romance.
Well, I think, what's a really good example that everyone will get is that on The Bachelor, you always see the girl run to the guy and jump on him right for a jump hug. You don't see on The Bachelorette the guy's running towards the Bachelorette as a jump hug.
Yes,
that would
exactly.
be weird.
Or this whole tendency of like the woman should be like giving the man flowers or proposing to the man. Like, that's just backwards. So the man needs to obviously be extremely into the woman, and you should love each other equally, but it's more like equivalently, but the way that you love is different. So men show love in different ways than women do generally. And we talk about the 5 love languages, but mostly it's, specific ways that men tend to show love, mostly through like acts of service, physical touch, affection. Women are more about words of affirmation than men are. And that's not to say that you shouldn't compliment a man or whatever. But
I am a slut for words of affirmation.
Yes, exactly. That is definitely more of a feminine thing, and that's okay. But the woman has to really adore the man. If she's not almost obsessed with the man, then it probably won't last. If the man is pedestalizing her and worshiping her the way that some of these women, basically, it is simping. It dies off, because then it puts her in a position of being like in power.
So don't marry the simp.
No, once you're married, of course, once you're in a solid relationship, then the man is going to be more affectionate. He's going to smile more. He's going to be, have more cuddling and some of those more feminine ways of expressing love. But men need to be validated for the ways that they naturally express their love. And I have great examples from Dennis, because he signed me up for like this field craft. I don't know if any of the listeners know what that is, but that's like survivalist kind of thing.
Cool.
And so it's a form of love, right? I want you to be there with me, and we're going to be a team and figure it out. And then the other day, he's like, I packed your go bag, and he showed me my backpack, and everything had like its place.
Wait, that's so cute. Everybody's like getting last minute, gift ideas right now for Christmas. I've never even heard of that.
But see, like a lot of women don't see that as romance or love. They're looking for poetry and roses and chocolates and, things that are more feminine. So it's not to say men can't do those things, but let's validate all the ways that men naturally express their love that are usually overlooked.